Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
Dorks!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself. Do not fool Rolf!
Losers!